Hey YouTube, back here with this Drill Master Rotary Toolkit. Item number 63235. It has 80 pieces. It was originally $9.99 at a coupon for $3 off. So it came out to $6.99. Includes one mandrel for cutoff wheels, 4 polishing cloth wheels, 1 mandrel for polishing cloths, 1 carbide burr, 4 drill bits, 4-piece collect set, 2 sanding drum wheels, 4 sanding drum sleeves, 1 mounted nylon brush, 2 wire brush wheels, steel and brass, 1 grinding stone, 10 aluminum oxide mounted grinding stones, 25 cutoff wheel discs, 20 diamond burr bits. Back side of it here's your cutoff wheels, your instructions. So let's go ahead and open this up. So in this box we have sanding drums, buffing pads, a sharpening stone it looks like, tips for the Dremel, drill bits, diamond burr bits. Also in this container it's the rest of the 25 diamond burr bits. This shaft right here is for the cutoff wheels. That's what that looks like with the cutoff wheel on it. So this is the buffing wheel shank. You just take it and you spin it into the buffing wheel. Here's the brass wire wheel. Here's the steel wire wheel. And these are the mounted stones for the Dremel. And this is a brush to clean stuff up. So these brass inserts are different sizes for the different size shafts of things. So you'll have to change them out. Go in the end of this. They just pop in like that. And then take this piece. This would be something like that. And we also have the Dremel. This power cord plugs into the back of the Dremel. The Dremel has the on-off switch back here. This is the locking button. You can tighten your stuff down. So we're going to go ahead and put one of the cutoff wheels in and try to cut the head off this screw, see how well it works. Okay, so got the cutoff wheel here. Got a screw. I'm going to try to cut the head off the screw. Okay, so I can see a problem right now. It didn't come with a screwdriver, so I can't tighten down the seal. So let me tighten that down. We'll try again. Okay, let's try this again now. Well, as you can see, it's somewhat cut. I don't know, that took a while just to get that far. Alright, so there you have it. Harbor Freight Rotary Toolkit, item number 63235.